heating up the black pot, we're making jambalaya. Let me show you how to do that. 10 pounds of smoked sausage. We're gonna sweat that down. When your sausage gets browned down, pull it out and put it in a little container. All right, next we're dropping in 8 pounds of pork. Let that brown down. All right, now it's time to get that pork out. 10 pounds of chicken. All right, we got that chicken pulled off. Let that sit right there. And then go in with your trinity. That's 8 pounds of onions, 3 bell peppers, and a stalk of celery. Once we get them sweated down, we're going in with a whole thing of garlic. All right, we're going back in with our sausage and our pork. Nine and 6 ounces of chicken stock. All right, get that stirred in and bring it back up to a boil. Thank you. And let it run for a few. Thank you, Mama.
Taste that.
Ooh. It's Cinco de Mayo. It's nice. Get you half a bottle of hot sauce and half a bottle of wash your sister. All right, add you some garlic and onion powder. Bean. Ow. Whatever Cajun seasoning you want to use. Add a lot. Ow, boy. My nephew trying to sabotage this meal. Some black pepper. You always want to over season your jambalaya because that rice is going to soak a lot of it up. You don't want no dry jambalaya. Put your 2 cream of mushroom and 1 cream of celery in there. Just trust me. 4 gallons of water. All right, when it gets back up to a boil, 15 pounds of rice goes in. All right, we got that rice in there. Got it back up to a boil. We're gonna put it on simmer. Cover that up. 15 minutes, we're gonna check it. I think we got a frog. Uh-oh, we got a frog on the loose. You want it?
No.
You sure? You don't want it? You don't want it? All right, it's been 15. We're gonna take a look. Oh yeah, still cooking down. We're gonna give it a little fluff. Look at that. We're gonna cut that fire off, cover it up 15 more minutes. All right, so it's been 30 minutes. Let's check it out. We cut it off for that last 15. And look at that. We're gonna give it one more fluff. Look at that. Jambalaya going for teacher's appreciation. But before I pass it off and box it up, we're gonna come with just a little taste test. See what we're working with. Look, I told y'all, not dry. Cream of celery, cream of mushroom. I promise you. Let's see. Look, hot. Perfect rice, perfect flavor. Go tell your mama no. If you're a teacher out there, I wanted to say thank you. This one's going to my wife's school because they took care of her this year. But every teacher out there helping the youth, thank you. Hey, dude, I'm going to tell you, teacher. Uh-huh.